Alright guys, welcome to Wednesday's edition. Let's get right into the weather here. The national weather showing you a surface plot with multiple low pressures, multiple dry lines down here in the southeast, which is erupting showers and a few storms to our south. That should stay to our south. Stationary front in the middle part of the section will be the triggering mechanism for severe storms later today. And the National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma has put this out. Anywhere in this area you see in between the orange lines, severe weather could break out. Even here in the northeast, there's a very slight chance of some convectivity. That would basically be confined to northwest southern New England. And so there is instability out there, guys, just to show that on the map. Here's that rain to our south, which is going to stay to our south. There's some thunder now developing in southern Jersey and here in Virginia. So we're going to have to watch that, guys. Let's take you to where I think we're going to be seeing some explosion of the radar here. I'm going to circle that out here with my telestory. This is where I think you'll see the map light up this afternoon as we tap into the western Gulf of Mexico. Right in here, you'll start to see some severe thunderstorm warnings and maybe even some tornado watches and warnings posted. You can see the radar not too active right now, but as that swings east, you'll see it erupt again. No severe weather watches, no thunderstorm watches, no tornado watches are in effect at this hour. I do expect that to change within the next couple hours, so monitor those watches and warnings across the middle part of the section. Okay guys, let's go into southern New England. Let's take a look at our satellite with some overlays. You can see we were pretty clear this morning and boom, popped up those popcorn clouds again this afternoon. This time, as compared to yesterday, they're more to the northwest. You see that cold front again with a stationary front attached to it, slowly meandering its way south. And that'll be the triggering mechanism for tomorrow's showers and thunderstorms, which will be more widespread. But here they are. There's some good downpours up here in Maine. Not any reports of thunder or lightning, I don't believe, just yet up there. But that could change. Anywhere in New England, we could hear a rumble of thunder and a downpour. Look at the temperatures, guys. Beautiful here in southern New England. Very beautiful. The highest temperatures in the east right now over here. Coolest here with the rains falling, coolest up to the north where that cold front is working its way down. Just a very pleasant day out there with highs on in the lower 70s, even the mid 70s. It's 73 here in Brockton right now. So here you see another surface plot showing the cold front with showers. Another kind of reinforcing cool front. Southern New England. I think right along that we could see some showers and thunderstorms developing this afternoon, if anywhere in New England. Again, this isn't set in stone, but it's definitely a possibility, guys. So let's go ahead and look into the forecast into tonight. See what the temperature is going to be like out there. Tonight should be pretty pleasant. The upper 40s, 30s up in northern New England, but upper 40s, southern New England. Good night to get out there for a walk. Take the dog for a walk. Should be pretty pleasant all the way up until about 9 or 10 o'clock. Then we'll cool things back down. As far as tomorrow goes, here's the setup. Low pressure to our north with a cool front dragging to the south of it. Cooler weather to the north, warm to the south, battle zone setting up. This is where I believe the best chance of seeing some strong thunderstorms, or at least a thunder shower. But we're going to have to keep an eye to the sky tomorrow. It's going to be pretty unstable up there. You saw that in the Norman, Oklahoma National Weather Service convectivity plot. So I'm a little worried about that tomorrow. If you're outdoors, got to keep an eye to the skies. Still worried about this weekend severe weather outbreak across the Midwest, which is going to slowly move its way towards New England. Let's look at the GFS precipitation plot models here as we go. Here it is now showing that rain in the mid-Atlantic staying to our south for the most part as we go in animation here. And showing some showers and thunderstorms maybe popping up in western Mass. And then more of that tomorrow as you see there. Right there, more green precipitation over our area. Then we're going to turn our attention out here to Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, a gathering storm about to cross into the parameter of the Gulf of Mexico and about to explode with a tornado outbreak, I believe. So we're going to have to watch this extremely carefully, guys. Could be the worst of the season so far, no doubt. Then it stretches up into New England, kind of stays sort of south of us whereas the models yesterday brought them more up to the north. So there's going to be a lot of flip-flopping here, guys. A lot of flip-flopping, so we'll have a day or two to iron it out. But it looks like we're going to get into some more unsettled weather here in New England come towards about Saturday through Tuesday. My time's up, guys. Have a good afternoon. That's it for today.